welcome back to Garden Garage slash Jack of all trades. So today we're going to fire up a irrigation pump system, I guess is what you call it. It's a customer of mine. His pump's down in the creek. I'm going to show you guys how I set it up and fire it up. It's kind of a long walk. If you guys like this view or not, huh? Pretty nice view, I think. All right, so first off, and here's the system. It's not the pump system, okay? It's what turns it on, okay? Pressure switch. This is what applies power to the pump down and below. Pressure tank. Filter. This filter is really dirty. It's pretty bad. It made me muddy. I'll just say that. If I got some, yeah, see my sweatshirt? Yeah. I got muddy. Anyways, so first things first, make sure you got your switch off or power off. And then you're gonna go down below. Wait. This is a lot of walking. You can tell if it's running or not. It was. I gotta go put it in the water first. All right. Well, let's go for a walk in the woods. This hill, imagine trying to troubleshoot this system and it not wanting to run. I don't like this one, I'll just say that. But it is a nice little setup. It's got a nice supply of water down here so he can have water for his grass and everything else. His yard looks really good. So it's a nice little setup. But I don't like this stuff. All right, down the trail that used to be here, that's not here anymore. Yeah. Okay. Oh. This way. Good thing I've been down here probably 100 times. I wouldn't know where to go. That's probably why they sent me down here. I'm familiar with the system. I've actually changed out the whole system already once before. Oh wow. This is pretty much overgrown. That sucks. I'm gonna have to bring a weed whacker back down here and go to town. I don't know if you guys can see that down there. See a little shed type thing up over there? Probably can't. That's where the pump's at. Keep going. And then we'll get down to the forest down here. Oh, yeah. Yes, I don't like this. Can't see. Ow. Off of me. Yeah, it's fun. Lovely. See it? Right there. Can you see it? Right there? You see it? Okay, let's go. Ah, man. Okay, here we are. Here's the pump. Right there. I was trying to grab it on the camera. I'm like, where is it? Power. Got power turned on. So all I got to do is go up there and hit that switch. Here's the best part of this whole system here, ladies and gentlemen. Got it. Oh no. Shoot. Well, anyways, right here. The box is full of mud. Of course. Man. See the foot valve down there? On the end of this pipe. See it right there? So you put that in the water. Take that pressure gauge off the top of that pump. Oh, good, there's a bucket down here. Thank goodness. Put water in the bucket. We're gonna take that plug off if I can. Actually, that's brass. I can't take that off. How am I gonna do this? Oh, lovely. I should have brought my tools. Yeah, I forgot I put brass stuff on here. Yeah, I can't take that off. So you guys are gonna sit, maybe, maybe not. Nope, maybe right there. Can I put you there? Maybe, maybe not. Nope, of course not. How about you guys can just sit right there and hang out? Okay, there you go. Oh yeah, this is sweet. Why? I don't know why. Ooh, we'll fall in. That should work. Stick it in there. On the opposite side of the box. Ouch. I'll figure something out, I guess. That's, yeah. So that's the system right there. So if you pull this off here, put water in there until it holds water there, tighten it back up, turn the power back on, run all the way back up to the hill, or if this would work like a normal system, you can just turn it on. But this one's not like that. You're gonna go trampling through the, the rainforest. But anyways, yeah, so that's an irrigation system. It's strictly only for yard. So for grass, rhododendrons, stuff like that. I like the setup. I just don't like how hard it is to go up and down, up and down, up and down. I don't need that much exercise, okay? Man. Anyways, pump's on. I don't know. Yeah. I need to go get my tools and all that to fire it up. But yeah, so that's the concept of the pump. That's the irrigation system there. Now we're going to go trample back through the rainforest to go back inside. Okay, let's go. Yeah, it's fun. Awesome. Where do I go? Oh, that one. Ouch. Yeah. Yep. 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 Oh. 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 Don't slip. Oh, wow. I don't like this. It's not fun. Not at all. Wrong boots. Should have worn my other ones today. I got cowboy boots and then I got logging boots. So today I should have worn my logging boots for this. All fairness, I thought I was working in Costco today. That's tomorrow. Yeah. Oh well. Still gotta get the same shit done no matter what I'm doing. I turn that valve on? Yeah, I did. I'm gonna try and fire it up. It's either gonna work or it's not. Ain't no joke, you guys. I don't think you get the concept of how steep this is. It's like that. Anyways, whoa. And you get these things everywhere. Look at that, man. Those hurt. Get out of here. Skip. Get out of here. Move it. Good. Still got my hand. Well, now, let's see if you guys can get a concept of how steep this is. That's the ground. Yeah. All right, well, that's a creek pump. If you guys got a creek or something that runs behind your house all the time, throw a line in, hook a pump to it. Got you some water, somewhat free. It's gonna cost for power, you know, but hey, free water source. I'm not gonna go again down, 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 and down. I'm not doing it. And videotaping the whole thing. So, if you guys have any questions about this place or about the system, let me know in the comments. Whew. Man, that's a good little hike. Yeah. No, I mean, I wonder if there's a way I can show you. Yeah, there you go. Now you get it. Well, anyways, yeah. If you guys got any questions, let me know. Maybe I can answer them. Any questions about this system too? Or if you guys are trying to do a water system for yourself or irrigation, write it down in the comments. Maybe send some pictures on there if you're able to. I don't know. Maybe I can walk you through it or give you some ideas. Well, until next time, don't forget, hit that like button, share, subscribe. Thanks, everybody. Bye.